Good morning, friends. This is Shubha Mishra. I'm graduate and postgraduate in political science and international relation. Why I'm telling this? Because basically I'm a civil service aspirant, and during my preparation only I came to know about defense services exam, and I gave the exam, and this is my third SSB for serious entry. Unfortunately, I got conferenced out in my last SSBs, but I think I'm fortunate enough because अगर मैं select हो जाती तो I could not have met Babu sir, and actually मेरी पर्सनालिटी चेंज ही नहीं हो पाती बिकॉज सिलेक्शन कभी कभी आप लकीली और बाय एनी चांस अगर आप सेलेक्ट भी हो जाते हो लेकिन आपकी पर्सनालिटी में कुछ इनहेरेंट पर्सनालिटी में कुछ डिफेक्ट होते हैं स्टिल यू डोंट नो इवन यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि क्या क्या डिफेक्ट है कैसे उसको इम्प्रूव करना है and I'm seriously very much fortunate, sir, that I met you in my life. And so, yes, sir. Sir, I was part of both SML and AFSOP classes, and what I learned from the class is that since SSB is personality assessment test, and masking of personality will not lead you to get recommended. Leave aside being recommended, you will not excel in your life, at least. And with SML, that is self management and leadership, I actually understood myself. And this was very different and powerful class. And if one actually channelizes everything that was taught in the class, I guess no power in the world can stop him from succeeding and from achieving his or her goal, provided you should know your strength and weakness, and provided you are ready to work on your weaknesses. And that is why that is what I learned from the classes. And what sir taught in the SML class was not limited to my SSB preparation. In fact, I would say that it was based for my civil services preparation, because in civil services also there is a paper 4, that is ethics and integrity and management. And I guess the SML classes was a base for my civil services preparation, and especially the paper 4 part. And it made me more mature, I would say, and it made me to balance all the domains of my life. Previously also I used to balance my life, but my balancing was limited to my intellectual domain. And now I've come to realize that balancing your intellectual domain will not help you, because ultimately you have to excel in your social and emotional level, and at value level also. Value level is something that it is inherent from birth, whatever we are taught from our parents. तो उसको में तो अगर आपके flaws नहीं है तो it will not उसका कोई मेजर इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा अगर उसमें कोई फ्लॉज नहीं है. लेकिन इंटेलेक्चुअल, इमोशनल और सोशल लेवल has to be improved. And we at this time, because of competitive exam and everything, हम लोग इमोशनली कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, एज वेल एज सोशली भी कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाई SML classes made me to realize to balance all domains of my life. Earlier also, earlier when I went for SSB, I used to think that why this SSB is conducting this TAT, WAT, SRT and GTO thing. Actually, I was looking for a trick. And when I got conference out in my last SSB, I was thinking सब तो सही किया यार, फिर भी क्यों सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि व्हाट एसेसर वांट, मतलब मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि एक्चुअली व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर. एंड बट व्हेन आई केम टू बाबू सर, I actually understood the requirement of SSB. Actually, sir will make you think at such a level that you can easily correlate all your daily life, and especially by the SWOT analysis, lifeline analysis and Johari window. सारे responses आपके automatically SSB की preparation से connect हो जाएंगे. And my experience was very good, because I don't know, कोई भी ऐसी क्लास नहीं थी जिसमें सर ने मुझे डांटा ना हो, सर ने मेरी टांग ना खींची हो. और सर यूज्ड टू से उल्लू की पट्टी सुबह को समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं, मतलब दिस वाज लाइन की मुझे पूरा दिन याद रहता था आफ्टर क्लासेस. एंड घोड़ा दिख रहा है या हाथी दिख रहा है, या मतलब मेरे एक्सप्रेशन से ही सर यूज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वेदर मुझे समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं. स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग माय GTO क्लासेस, लाइक मेरे फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से ही यूज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मुझे कुछ स्ट्रक्चर दिमाग में नहीं घुस रहा. और जब तक मैं उसको इंटरलाइज नहीं कर लेती थी दिमाग में, और दिमाग में स्ट्रक्चर इंप्लीमेंट नहीं होता था, तब तक सर समझाते रहते थे. मतलब कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑन ए वीडियो कन्वर्सेशन, ही इज गोइंग इनसाइड योर ब्रेन एंड ही इज implementing that idea inside you. मतलब this is very powerful. मतलब I am not able to express it, लेकिन this experience. And not only this, even the environment that I got during these 28 days was very wonderful, especially in effective communication classes. I met so many people and I learned from them, especially Devang, who is just 17-year-old, and he got recommended also recently, got a 106 rank in the merit. And actually मुझे ये पता चला कि इतने कम उम्र में भी लोग इतनी इंक्विजिटिवनेस है कि लर्न करने की कैपेसिटी. नॉट ओनली देवांग, आई मेट प्रबोधिनी also, who is of same age, 17 years of old age. And Apart from that, I met so many people. Tushar, I learned from him language skill, and from Sasank, I learned how to be assertive. And sir already pointed it out in my GD that Subhi, you are not assertive enough, even though you have the content, like you are not able to convey your point. तो बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस मुझे समझ में आ गई, और स्पेशली पूरे प्रोसेस से मुझे ये भी समझ में आ गया कि मैं पूरे लास्ट टाइम एसएसबी में कहाँ पे गलती की थी. And last I would say that I got many teachers in my life and I learned from them, but Babu sir was somebody जो मेरे सारे डोमेन को टच किया, इंटेलेक्चुअल, सोशल, इमोशनल. एंड अभी तक तो जितने भी टीचर्स थे सबने इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल पे ही टच किया था, लेकिन बाबू सर एक्चुअली मतलब मुझे अंदर से हिला दिए. And that is why I would say my experience was very wonderful, and I would suggest everybody to join the class.
Shubhi, I can feel the overwhelm that you have gone through, and God bless you. Extremely Rona nahi bas. ठीक है ना, चलो. It was very nice, Shubhi. You were already a very high energy girl because of your civil service aspiration and the kind of energy that you came with. उसमें थोड़ा सा maybe SML would have added a lot of clarity, and कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हारा सिविल सर्विस प्रिपरेशन में तुम्हारा इंटरेक्शन विद द फ्रेंड सर्कल वगैरह कम हो गया था, एंड आई थिंक ऑथेंटिक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल दैट गिव यू दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटरैक्ट विद दोस पीपल. सो सारे डायमेंशन तुम्हारे खुले. यू ऑलरेडी गुड, इट ओनली गॉट मोर रिफाइंड and little more directed effort which was already there. So that way it was very good, and I can see the tears in your eye, and I know that connect was always felt by me also. कहीं ना कहीं बेटी की जगह पे दिखता था. So that's very nice of you. चल रोना बंद करके मुझे एक बार बता, you have gone through the civil services training also and SSB का training.
Yes sir.
And what difference do you find दोनों testing में, civil services का testing में और इसमें तुम्हारे को, if you're okay?
Yes sir, I'm fine.
मतलब see, civil services is a very prestigious selection. Armed forces का अपना है. Since you have gone through the training for both, what difference did you feel, Shubhi?
Yes sir. Sir, actually in civil services के preparation में sir आपके मतलब knowledge level को ज़्यादा glorify किया जाता है, and that is why you are made to assess the situation. Like अगर आप एक district collector हो तो फिर आपके सामने एक situation होती है और आपको उसको tackle करना होता है.
That is also something like situation reaction type ही है.
Yes sir. उसमें individual threat नहीं होती है, sir, life threatening situation नहीं होती है. It is like you take a decision and उसका कोई consequences होगा, and either आपको transfer कर दिया जाएगा और you will be in the same district. लेकिन sir SSB में है कि आपका एक decision impact करेगा whole country को. For example, if you are going for कोई major operation इंडिया से, तो अगर आपने कोई गलत डिसीजन ले लिया तो उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके ऊपर तो पड़ेगा, प्लस एंटायर कंट्री विल सफर from that decision.
Immediately behind you, the troops who are following, the stress levels in our operations are very high. So that's a very different selection के approach में भी बहुत difference लग रहा होगा. There the knowledge content is very high. Civil service में यहाँ पे knowledge से ज़्यादा application skills are very very high. So बहुत अच्छा लगा Shubhi, and your contribution in the effective communication classes are well appreciated. We'll request you whenever possible keep interacting with us, and कभी पुणे आना होगा तो definitely you will meet, है ना?
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Even my daughter knows you by name. ठीक है ना? Even though you would not, मैंने उसके बारे में तुम्हारे बारे में इतना बोला हुआ है कि पीछे बैठ के देखती रहती है वो. ठीक है ना? God bless you. You are a motivation to so many people. God bless you.
Thank you.
Appreciate your presence. Thank you. God bless you.